Hey, so now that you have registered on the Buddy Rental platform as an instructor, we'll get started quickly, to how to create a course on Buddy Rental. When you log in as an instructor, you can log into your profile page and go in the account section over here. What you see on the account section would be add new course button over here. You need to click on this button. Once you click, it will open up a new page where you can start designing your first course. So for now, we have named this course as How to Become an Instructor. As you can see over here, this will be your name, your profile name that will be coming up on this section. You can add a co-instructor if you're collaborating with any other instructor on the platform. You can select a category that is well suited for the course that you're completing or preparing for the students. For now, we have selected general dentistry. To add a course price, you can add the amount that you want to quote for a course. So you can quote anything between 0 to 1000, 10,000 as per the content that you have. So ensure that you price it so well that it is lucrative for the student who is enrolling for this course, and it is also budget friendly. When you enroll a course, when you add a price that is 0, that means you're giving course of free of cost on the platform. You will not be getting any money for that particular course. There are 4 tabs over here: description, curriculum, FAQs, and announcement. We'll start with description. The area over here which says upload course image, you can select an image that suits your course content. Since we are making an online course, I have selected an image that does not have a copyright issue, and I can freely use it on any of my contents that I am teaching with. So ensure that whatever courses that you make do not have any copyright issues or any images that require any legal copyrights attached to it. In this section, you will describe what the course would contain, or description about the course, or what a student would get out of the course. Those are the things that you can mention out here. I have prepared a small description for that. I'll be quickly copy pasting it. So whatever you make on Word and you do a control copy and a control paste, it will take the formatting and it will come directly over here. You can add some course materials like some guides or sheets for the students while they are taking the course. They can maintain those guides with them that can come handy, like readout materials or something like that. Only those contents should be going out here. Whatever you're teaching should come inside the curriculum. This is where you'll be doing your lessons, your quizzes, assignments. You'll be deciding what kind of sections you'll be making or how many topics you'll be covering up. All you can do it on this particular section. We have FAQs. So you foresee certain questions asked by the students, like what kind of content we have or what kind of qualifications we need. You can answer those questions. You can create those questions and answer it right away in the FAQ section. So whenever a student comes in, he can go ahead and look in the FAQs and search for any frequently asked questions, and he'll have his answer right away over there. Announcements. Once you've completed the course, you want to make some announcement, like new thing is coming up, you're adding a new lesson to it, or you're updating the particular course. You can make an announcement through this particular section.